Hi, this is Mary Reinhardt, and I'm creating this tutorial to give you some additional instructions on how to do your conductive bracelet. As you may have noticed, some of the materials in your kit, including the light-up board and additional materials, don't necessarily match the tutorial that was meant to make this bracelet. And so I'm going to set this one to the side and instead give you some instructions on how to make a light-up bracelet using the light-up board. So first what you're going to do is you're going to map out your materials on your felt. This is a battery holder, and then you have two lights. You can punch them right out of the board. This board can also be used for other things, but for the activity that we're going to do today, you're just going to punch those out. And then you're going to use your conductive thread. You're going to thread your needle, and you're going to map red to red to red. And you're going to tie it off, and you're going to sew white to white to white. One of the important things is that these threads don't cross, and so red and white cannot cross, otherwise it will not light up. I have a little piece of conductive tape here to hold it down. As you'll notice, conductive thread can be really stiff as well. And then when I turn it on, it lights up. I don't have snaps on my bracelet yet. You can add these at the ends with regular thread. And you don't have to go all the way across the bracelet. You'll notice that this was just I wanted to whip this up for this tutorial. You can just sew the snaps in place on the end using either conductive or regular thread. If you have any questions, please join me today in the help session from 3 to 4. If not, I'll see you at class at 4 o'clock. Thank you.